to produce goods and services for the benefit of the defense forces, veterans of the UPDF, and the general public. The National Enterprise Corporation. World over, defense industries are very strategically at the forefront of the rest of the commercial industries, and Uganda is not any different. Following the liberation struggle in 1986, the country has been largely at peace with a very organized and disciplined force. This provided room for the establishment of the National Enterprise Corporation, NEC, in 1989 by an Act of Parliament to serve as the commercial arm of the army. The corporation has headquarters in Bugolobi in the country's central business district, which acts as a holding company for its subsidiaries and joint ventures, which are Luwero Defence Industries Limited, NEC Construction Works and Engineering Limited, NEC Agro Limited, NEC Farm Katonga Limited, NEC Wazima Limited, NEC Security Limited. The joint ventures Choga Dynamics Limited, Proheli International Services Limited, and NEC Straight Uganda Limited. Luwero Industries currently has a workforce of about 400 employees, both active and retired UPDF soldiers and civilians. The ordnance factory, which lies 135 kilometers north of Kampala, mainly produces and assembles cartridges. Luwero Industries also produces hardened tools, carbide dies, and spares for domestic consumption, in addition to the AK-47 upgrade. The subsidiary also produces extensive metal fabrication for weapon mounting for the UPDF infantry fighting vehicles and UPF for Amison missions, plus has an able research facility that collaborates with Makerere University. The same company produces helmets and bulletproof vests with the highest modern technology. Waste that is both internally and externally generated, especially medical waste, is disposed of in a modern incinerator and engineered landfills. They manufacture modern furniture in all types of designs, both for the government and the private sector. Luwero Industries also operates an oxygen and nitrogen plant. The plant greatly supports the Air Force and the national medical facilities and generates some revenue for the company. When the country was experiencing a shortage of oxygen in the medical facilities, Luwero Industries stepped up to bridge the gap, thus saving the lives of many Ugandans. The facility was commissioned by His Excellency the President, General Retired Yoweri Kaguta Museveni on the 27th of July 2022 in Nakasongola.
Luwero Industries, through her Quality Control Department, is involved in the manufacture and sale of liquid soaps, sanitizers, and masks, among others, in support of the anti-COVID-19 effort.
The facility was commissioned by His Excellency General Retired Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda. Veba is machine-making equipment. The woodworking machines factory was commissioned by His Excellency President General Retired Yoweri Kaguta Museveni on the 27th of July 2022 in Nakasongola and is now fully operational. The factory manufactures fitness planners, surface planners, circular saw machines, band saw machines, and combined saw spindles extra. The production of these machines in the country, apart from serving the much-needed forex, contributes to the socio-economic transformation of Uganda. Luwero Industries established a 500-kilowatt solar plant as an alternative source of energy. This has greatly improved power quality and stability, which was a major issue affecting equipment, spoiling raw materials, and interfering with production. The plant was commissioned by His Excellency General Retired Yoweri Kaguta Museveni on the 27th of July 2022 in Nakasongola. Utilizing the capacity of Luwero Industries, Kira Motors Corporation has since assembled Kayola buses, Tondeka and Kalita buses in Nakasongola district. Explosives are manufactured by Choga Dynamics, a joint venture between Luwero Industries and Wanbao Engineering Company with a project line in Nakasongola. The fully functional and now operational project produces to capacity for both local and continental markets. Proheli International Services, the joint venture between Luero Industries, Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs, and Bosasi for the maintenance, repair and overhaul of the MI helicopter series, was commissioned by the President of the Republic of Uganda and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, His Excellency General Retired Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, on the 22nd of January 2022 and is now fully operational. NEC entered into a joint venture with the Strait Group for the manufacture of armored vehicles using the UPDF personnel. The Armored Vehicle Manufacturing Factory, which is now fully operational, was commissioned by the President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency General Retired Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, on the 27th of July 2022 in Nakasongola. The company provides a variety of security solutions to both military and private companies and individuals by supporting the defense sector, health sector, industrial sector, banking sector, emergency and rescue missions, and the transport sector. Nec Limited. Having its factory establishment in Kakiri Barracks in Wakiso District, Nec Limited does produce potable bottled water with a capacity of over 12,000 bottles per hour for the 500 ml bottles, in addition to 15,000 bottles per hour for the 330 ml bottle and 6,000 bottles per hour for the 1.5 litre bottles, to contribute to the feeding of the forces, as water is very important for their operation rations, with a future vision of being the most trusted bottled natural mineral water at both local and regional levels, with a central distribution center in Bugolobi. NEC operates two modern farms. NEC Farm Chankwanzi, located 200 kilometers northwest of Kampala and covers 9 square miles, and the NEC Farm Katonga, which is located 90 miles southwest of Kampala, that covers 17 square miles, with Boran, Brahman and Boran crossbreeds of cattle. The farms are well advanced with water supply and modern spur racers. Pasture development scheme, and are now greatly implementing the bull fattening project for the country's steady and consistent beef supply. The NEC Agro Limited is constituted of two divisions. The NEC Tractor Division deals with the sales of agriculture tractors, their implements and spare parts, and offer after-sales services of the agriculture tractors, implements and machinery, in addition to training of operators, repair and maintenance. The Tractor Hire Division provides tractor hire services to different categories of farm groups to increase mechanization at the grassroots level. NEC Agro Limited provides foodstuffs and other commodities to the UPDF. This has provided the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs with an affordable and reliable alternative. NEC Agro is currently implementing a presidential directive on food security. The NEC Construction Works and Engineering Limited handles the construction and engineering works for the defense forces, government departments and the private sector. The company has greatly prospered in utilizing the extensive manpower of the soldiers, employing them for architecture, engineering, renovation, maintenance and construction works, and in the end contributes to national growth and development. The subsidiary is currently engaged in the construction of Kira EV plant in Jinja, Uganda Free Zones Authority UFZA in Entebbe, Faculty of ICT at Mbara University, Presidential Industrial Youth Hub in Masaka, upgrading of the Entebbe Pediatric Hospital access road to paved standards, rehabilitation of the Mpoma Earth Satellite Station in Mukono, construction of the boundary wall at Makerere University main campus, construction of accommodation facilities for the Uganda Virus Research Institute UVRI, mechanized maintenance of selected unpaved roads in Central Region, expansion and refurbishment of Chireka Ward at Butabika National Mental Referral Hospital, construction of Uganda Security Printing Company factory in Entebbe. The company is also involved in railway construction works by providing track maintenance services covering sections of Malaba-Busolwe and Busolwe-Naigambwa in eastern Uganda, among others. Nec Security Services Limited provides armed guards, cash in transit, VIP escort, canine, courier, urban shooting range, ambulance services, search and rescue, plus content security. With a mission to deliver a high standard of security services and solutions, providing peace of mind for our clients as well as a professional environment for our employees. The Nec Pharmaceutical project is being revamped to become fully operational. For the efficient running of the subsidiaries, Nec has got an overall MD, a general manager for each of the subsidiaries, and a board of directors. The leadership has made sure that Nec remains true to driving its set agenda and goals, and in the end greatly contributed to the vision of being a sustainable commercial arm of the Uganda Defence Forces that generates goods and services for the progressive social and economic transformation and development amongst the Defence Forces, veterans and civil society. The National Enterprise Corporation, NEC.